Okay, so I'm going to do a bit of a darker, kind of like a smoky makeup look, using my Afrique by Juvia's palette. I love all Juvia's palettes. They are amazing, super pigmented. So yeah, first I'm going to start with my SheGlam eye primer. This one's called Ready Set Eyeshadow Primer. Does not want all of it. Just sort of where my crease is. Then I'm going to take the color Cameroon and the color Dakar, mix them up and sort of apply a little bit below the crease, still sort of keeping it in the crease but sort of on the lid as well. Still using the same brush, I'm going to go in with the color Binto and sort of put that on the lid, like right there. Sort of sweep it across the lid like that. Then I'm going to go in with this color Kissy and a flat but a fluffy brush. And I'm going to take that right onto the brow bone. What we want is a super blended transition. Then I'm going to take this beautiful coffee color and go into the, and a flat synthetic brush, like it's super flat. It's a normal eyeshadow brush. Pat it on. Tap off the excess. Please don't blow on the brush. You're putting all the bacteria everywhere. I'm going to go into the inner corner. Bring it up and in. Then I'm going to take this Stila Smudge Stick waterproof eyeliner in, hi Capri, my daughter's here. The color is in Spice. And we're just going to put this on the lash line. That was just a cool. Don't bring it all the way into the inner corner. You could even use a black eyeliner if you prefer. Before the eyeliner sets, you're going to take a compact smudge brush like this and smoke it out.
Oh, what is this? What is this color? What is this color?
Don't touch it. It's shimmery. Just use any regular black eyeshadow and the same smudge brush and pick up a tiny bit and sort of darken the lash line. And take the same brush that you had before and sort of blend everything together so we maintain this. Mind you, my daughter is 3 years old and she's very interested in makeup, just like mommy was.
Makeup was better.
Yeah.
Better.
That's the top eyeshadow done. I'm going to use the Maybelline Curl Bounce, the Colossal, and the Loreal Bambi Eye False Lash Mascara to put on my lashes. Don't move this. I'm going to take the same smudge brush, clean it up a bit, and go in with the Cameroon and Bintao colors mixed together. And literally go under. Now you should technically be doing this after your mascara. What am I saying? After your concealer, under your concealer, but I'm just gonna do it now. And as you can see, I already have the gold. Take your brown eyeliner again and put that in the bottom waterline. You could also do like a champagne color or a gold color or even black. I usually do black because I don't know, I feel like my eyes really pop with black, but you can put mascara on the bottom lashes if you want, and you can put false lashes if you like, but this is my jam. This is how I'm doing it, and that's the eyes done. I will do a few other parts for the face and the lips and eyebrows.